Assuming you're searching for Velo cost expectation scores for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Velo will go from here on out. We will examine the previous costs of Velo and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally incomprehensible. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Velo is $0.181 and Velo is at present positioned #346 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Velo is 7,394.75, 595 with a market cap of $133,825.18. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 734% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Velo is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Velo is down to nearly 14–15% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could serious areas of strength for have in any case. We don't imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment. Velo Benefit Mini Computer is a free device that permits you to quickly assess the presentation of your Velo property by working out likely benefits and misfortunes in view of fluctuating business sector costs. Essentially enter the sum you have contributed, the purchasing cost, and the sell value, charge, and our Velo Mini Computer will wrap up. We foresee future Velo cost expectations. Velo Gauge by applying profound computerized reasoning helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Velo. We give our all to gather greatest verifiable information for the Velo coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Velo market cap, Velo volume, and barely any more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Velo Value Expectation Rundown. Velo is presently evaluated at $0.181 on the lookout. The typical extended cost for Velo in 2025 is supposed to be $0.336, with possible change somewhere in the range of $0.325 and $0.04. Our Velo long haul estimate for 2D50 proposes Velo possibly running somewhere in the range of $14.15 and $16.83. Velo is expected to arrive at a greatest cost of $0.25 and $82, constantly 2030. The cost of one Velo would reach as high as $13.33 by 2040. Velo Value Expectation 2024. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2024 the cost of Velo is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $229. The Velo cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $226 with the typical worth of $236. Velo Value Forecast 2025. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Velo, in 2025 the cost of Velo is gauged to be at around a base worth of $325. The Velo value worth can arrive at a limit of $million with a typical exchanging worth of $336 in OSE. Velo value figure for 2026. The cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $467 in 2026. The Velo cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $551 with a typical exchanging cost of $484 all through 2026. Velo Value Expectation 2027. Velo cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $775 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Velo cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0797 with the typical gauge cost of $0724. Velo Value Expectation 2028. Velo cost is gauged to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.1933 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Velo cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.11213 with the typical figure cost of $0.162. Velo Value Forecast 2029. The cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $0.1E501 in 2029. The Velo cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.1E779 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.1E544 all through 2029. Velo Value Expectation 2030. The cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0.2095 in 2030. The Velo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $1,582, with the typical cost of $1,857 all through 2030. Velo value figure 2031. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at least degree of $1,057. The Velo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $706, with the typical exchanging cost of $165. Velo value forecast 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Velo, in 2032 the cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $44.41. The Velo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.504 at 16, with the typical exchanging cost of $45.99. Velo value forecast 2033. The cost of one Velo is supposed to reach at any rate level of $0.6387 in 2033. The Velo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.78 in 17, with the typical cost of $0.60617 all through 2033. Velo value conjecture 2040. Associations and coordinated efforts with laid-out organizations or ventures can contribute altogether to standard acknowledgement. In view of our Velo cost expectation in 2040, the base anticipated cost is $10.63 and can reach as high as $13.33 for the year 2040. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $11.53. Velo value estimate for 2050. The reception and certifiable use instances of a digital currency are similarly indispensable contemplations. Projects with viable applications and broad reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Velo cost conjecture for 2050, Velo is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $16.83 in 2050. The base anticipated cost of Velo coin in 2050 is supposed to be around $14.15, while the typical cost of the Velo for 2050 is projected to be $14.95. Velo value conjecture facts. Is Velo a wise venture? Velo's worth is supposed to keep on extending, as lack will and general support cost rise. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any speculation. Simply put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and lead the most extreme exploration conceivable. What will be the Velo most noteworthy gauge cost for 2024? The Velo cost is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.06 toward the finish of 2024. What is the eventual fate of Velo? The fate of Velo is profoundly subject to the general presentation of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into Velo, you really want to ensure that you are utilizing the right procedure. This kind of speculation isn't appropriate for those with a lopsided gamble profile. In any case, still a magnificent venture for those who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its theoretical nature, Velo likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a steadily developing